TomTom Navigation is a widely used GPS navigation app that provides users with real-time traffic updates, accurate turn-by-turn directions, and a wide range of other features to help drivers navigate efficiently and safely. The app is available for both iOS and Android devices and can be used in both online and offline mode. One of the key features of TomTom Navigation is its real-time traffic updates. The app uses data from a variety of sources, including other TomTom Navigation users, to provide up-to-the-minute information on traffic conditions, construction, and accidents. This allows drivers to avoid delays and find the quickest routes to their destinations. In addition to real-time traffic updates, TomTom Navigation also offers a wide range of other features to enhance the driving experience. These include detailed maps of more than 150 countries, voice-guided turn-by-turn directions, speed camera alerts, and the ability to plan and save routes. Another important feature of TomTom Navigation is its offline mode. This allows users to download detailed maps of specific areas and use the app even when an internet connection is not available. This is particularly useful for drivers who are traveling in remote or rural areas, where cellular coverage may be spotty. Overall, TomTom Navigation is a comprehensive and user-friendly GPS navigation app that offers a wide range of features to help drivers navigate efficiently and safely. With its real-time traffic updates, detailed maps, and offline mode, it is a valuable tool for any driver. It's worth mentioning that TomTom Navigation also comes with a few other new features, such as the integration of electric vehicle routing, which calculates the most efficient route, considering the electric vehicle battery level and charging station availability. It also has a feature that allows drivers to share their data with friends and family, which makes it easy to keep them informed of your arrival time, and a feature that allows you to save your parking spot, so you never lose it again. In conclusion, TomTom Navigation is a must-have app for any driver looking for a reliable, user-friendly, and feature-rich GPS navigation app. With its real-time traffic updates, detailed maps, and offline mode, it provides drivers with the tools they need to navigate efficiently and safely, and with the new features, it's only getting better.